How to sign up for Runway ML. So go to Google and search for Runway ML. Then the first one, click on the website. Make sure it says runwayml.com. Over here you have try Runway. Click on that and you will need to create an account. Or the other way, let's go back and click on login. And then it says here don't have an account, sign up for free. Just click on that and it's gonna redirect you to create an account. So you can fill the information over here and then sign up, or you could sign up with Google, Apple, or use single sign-on. I'm gonna sign up with Google, just click on that, then choose your email, click continue, get a referral code. If you have a referral code, optional, but if not, just skip it. Don't miss that if you want to subscribe, but I'm gonna skip it. Welcome to Runway. Click continue. If you want to upgrade, you can go and do that, but I'm just gonna click exit. And over here at the left bottom corner, you'll see your account name. It says personal and it's free. And this is how you sign up to Runway ML. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like and thank you for watching.